Good day, grade 10. For today's lesson, our topic is all about arithmetic progressions. An arithmetic progression, or AP, progresses from one term to the next by adding or subtracting the same value, which is known as the common difference. In common difference, we have a formula which is D is equal to T sub 2 minus T sub 1, or D is equal to T sub 3 minus 1 all over 2. And we also have the nth term. The formula for nth term, we have T sub n is equal to T sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. And we also have the sum of the first n terms. We have the formula S sub n is equal to n multiplied by T sub 1 plus T sub n divided by 2. Let's have first the common difference. The formula is D, or the common difference, is equal to T sub 2 minus T sub 1, or D is equal to T sub 3 minus T sub 1 all over 2, or divided by 2. Where D is the common difference, T sub 1 is the first term in a sequence, T sub 2 is the second term in a sequence, and T sub 3 is the third term in a sequence. Next, let's have the formula in getting the nth term. We have T sub n is equal to T sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, wherein T sub n will be the nth term in a sequence, and n will be the number of term, and D is the common difference. Next, the formula to find the sum of the first n terms. We have S sub n is equal to n multiplied by T sub 1 plus T sub n all over 2. So S sub n is the sum of n terms, and n is the number of term, and T sub 1 is the first term, T sub n is the nth term in a sequence. For further understanding, let's have an example given. We have 5, 9, 13, 17, and the 3 dot or the ellipses, which means the sequence is continuous. First, find the common difference, which is equal to D. Next, find the 25th term, which is equal to T sub n or T sub 25. And 3, find the sum of the first terms, or equal to S sub n or S sub 10. Let's find first the common difference. Given, again, we have 5, 9, 13, and 17. So T sub 1 is equal to 5, wherein T sub 1 is the first term in a sequence. Since 5 is the first term, therefore T sub 1 is equal to 5. Next, T sub 2 is 9 because T sub 2 is the second term in a sequence and the second term is 9. Next, T sub 3 is equal to 13 since T sub 3 is the third term and the third term is 13. Next, substitute the value of T sub 1, T sub 2, and T sub 3. So we have, let's use this one. D is equal to T sub 2 minus T sub 1. So D is equal to 9, or the T sub 2 minus 5, or the T sub 1 is equal to 4. Next formula. Let's use this formula. T sub 3 is 13 minus T sub 1. T sub 1 is 5 all over 2. Next, 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Copy the denominator. And next, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, the common difference is equal to 4. Next, let's find the 25th term or the t sub n. N is equal to 25 since we're finding the 25th term, and d is equal to 4 or the common difference. Next, substitute the value of n and d to the formula. So t sub n is equal to 25 is equal to 5, or t sub 1 is equal to 5 plus n, again, is 25 minus 1 multiplied by d, or 4. Next, 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. Next, 24 multiplied by 4 is equal to 96. Next, 96 plus 5 is equal to 101. Therefore, the 25th term is equal to 101, or t sub 25 is equal to 101. Next, find the sum of the first 10 terms, or the s sub n. The formula. So n is equal to 10 since we're finding the first 10 terms. Next, t sub 1 is equal to 5 since 5 is the first term. As you can see in the formula, we have t sub n. So we're going to solve the value of t sub n. Use the formula of t sub n, which is t sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Substitute the value of n and d. T sub 1 is equal to 5 plus n is equal to 10 minus 1 multiplied by d. D is equal to 4. Next, t sub n, or t sub 10 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Next, 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. Add 5 and 36. So t sub n is equal to 41. Now substitute the value of n, t sub 1 and t sub n. N is equal to 10. T sub 1 is equal to 5 plus t sub n is equal to 41 all over 2, or divided by 2. 5 plus 41 is equal to 46. Next, 10 multiplied by 46 is 460 all over 2. So 460 divided by 2 is 230. Therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 230. Given we have 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on, the common difference is equal to 4, the 25th term is equal to 101, and the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence is equal to 230. 30. If you have any question, just message me on my Genio account. Let's call it a day. Goodbye, grade 10!